going to understand about how to solve the linear equation that is of two variables x and y by using the Cramer's rule. Problems to find variables by Cramer's rule. So here one example we are having here of two variables, that is two unknown x and y. So your first work when you have going to solve this equation, you have to check whether the equation is in standard format or not. For two variables, the standard format should be ax plus by is equals to c. That means variables on one side of the equation and constant should be on the other side of the equation. Suppose if you are given the equation like this, 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Then your work is to rewrite the equation 2x minus 3y equals to minus 4. Like this you have to transfer the constant on other side of the equation. This is how it is the first work. But in the given example, it is ready-made. That is, constants are already on the other side of the equation. So directly you can go for forming the determinant. That is, first one is delta. That is, delta is obtained by writing the coefficient of x and y. The first equation here 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Second equation 1 and 3. This is delta. Then you have to solve for this expansion, cross multiply, you will get the answer. 3 into 3 is 9 minus 1 into 1 is 1, that is equals to 8. This is delta value. Next, you have to form the delta x. Delta x. You have to form the delta x. That is obtained by, this is what here constant. What constant are there? We call it as a determinant d. That is constant C1 and C2 if you have the equation like that. This is the D column, you say, that should be replaced in the x coefficient for obtaining the delta x. For delta x, you have to delete this first column of the delta and then write the constant determinant. That is 4 and 4 here. 4 and 4, and then remaining as it is, no changing this. 1, 3 as it is. 1, 3 as it is. Now expand this. What do you get? 4, 3 is 12 minus 4, 1 is 4, that is equal to 8. So it is delta x. Next you find delta y. Delta y. Then what to obtain is delta y. That is again go for delta, main determinant. In this again to find delta y coefficient should be removed and then you have to replace this by constants, that is 4 and 4, and remaining as it is, no change in that. So here instead of 1 and 3 you should write 4 and 4. 4, 4. Then simplify this, open the determinant, that is 12 minus 3 4 are 12, 4 1 are 4, that is equal to 8. So this is how you have to find delta x and delta y. Next to find x and y values. X equals to delta x upon delta, that is 8 upon 8. 8 upon 8 equals to 1. Similarly, to find y, you have to write delta y upon delta, that is equals to 8 again. Delta y is 8 here. Delta is also 8. Delta is also 8. That is right here 8. You will get 1. So therefore, x value is 1 and y value is also 1. This is the solution for the equation, linear equation solution. Okay, this is about the two variables. Now let us go for the three variables. Okay. So before going for three variables, one more problem I have taken here to solve by Cramer's rule, that is by determinant method. So first work is to check whether the given equation is standard format or no, that is ax plus by is equals to c. This is standard format, constant on one side of the rule, to check it. X should be first and then y and then constant. So it is already in the standard format. Now let us prepare the delta determinant by writing the coefficient of the equations x and y, that is 2, 1, 3, 2, and then solve it by cross multiplying. 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3 equals to 1. Now let us write delta x by replacing the x coefficient. You have to replace the x coefficient by the constant 1 here. Instead of 2 3, you should write 1 1. So that is D here. It is D. This is a D column. You can write this constant we say, and then 1 2. So expand it. What you get? Cross multiply. You will get 1 to the 2, 1 to the 1 equals to 1. Then again find delta y. Delta y have to find. Delta y equals to. Now you have to replace the y coefficient column. The second column. Remaining value, no change. So 1 and 1 you have to write this side 1. And then cross multiply. Go for it. 2 1s are 2, minus 3 1s are 3 equals to minus 1. Now to find the x value, formula is delta x upon delta. That is delta x is 1, delta is also 1, so x value is 1. Then to find y value, delta y upon delta. That is delta y is minus 1. Minus 1 upon 1, that is minus 1. Minus 1. This is x value is 1 and y value is minus 1. This is what you have to find the x and y value using Cramer's rule or determinant method also is same. Okay. Now let us go for 3 variables. Yes, we have taken one more sums here, that is to find the 3 variables x, y and z by determinant method or by Cramer's rule. Both mean same here. Cramer's rule and determinant one is the same here. And then first you have to check the given equation in the standard format or no. What is standard format here for 3 variables? Ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. This is the standard format where d is a constant. D is a constant. X, y, z should be on one side of the equation, constant should be on the other side of the equation. This is like this only in each and every equation you have to check it. And x first, then y and then z. It should be in this order only. If they y first and x then next if it is there, you have to rewrite the equation so that x should be first, y should be next and then z should be last. Like this. So it is already in the ready-made format. Let us go for finding the determinant delta by writing x, y, z coefficient. That is 1 here, minus 1 and 1. 2 here, 1 here and then minus 2. 3 here, minus 2 and minus 1. This is how you have to prepare the determinant delta. Now you have to solve for this. What is delta? You have to evaluate it. That is equals to. So you have to write the plus minus plus in here. While expanding, you should use minus for the middle one in the formula. First element outside the bracket and then the determinant except this row and column. What is that? 1 minus 2 minus 2 1. You have to write here. 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 and then minus, it is a formula and then minus 1 is here, this one. Minus 1 is this one. Did it this row and column? What remains here? This 2 3 and minus 2 minus 1. 2 3 minus 2 minus 1 and then 1 here plus 1 plus 1. So it is plus 1. And then delete this row and column in which it is present. वन किसमें रहता है उसको छोड़ के जो है उसको लिखना है 2 1 3 minus 2 2 1 2 1 3 minus 2 3 minus 2. This is how to write the next step. Then evaluation is cross multiply this. Cross multiply 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4 but फॉर्मूला का माइनस जो रहता है प्लस एंड माइनस इज -4 माइनस इंटू माइनस इज प्लस 1 and then 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus 3 into minus 3 is minus 6, minus 6 and its formula minus is plus 6, plus 1, 2 into 2 is minus 4, minus 3 into 1 is 3, this is expansion, and then minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5, into 1 is minus 5, minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4, plus 4 into 1 is plus 4. And then minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Minus 7 into 1 is minus 7 only. So final answer for this is minus 5 minus 7. You have to add them first. It will become minus 12. Minus 12 plus 4 is minus 8. Minus 8 is the delta x value. It is delta value. And then you have to find what you have to find delta x. Your work is to find delta x. Now while finding the delta x, you have to replace this by the constant, the d here. What is d here? D is 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 4. This d column you have to write here instead of this. 3 minus 1, 4. In the delta itself you have to make a change. You have to make a change in the delta itself. 3 minus 1, 4. And rest all as it is, no change. Minus 1, 1, minus 2. Minus 1, 1, minus 2. And 1 minus 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, and then have to expand it. 3 into. Have to write it different. 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1. Minus here, minus plus minus, minus into minus 1. Determinant. Except this row and column, we have to write at all. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2. 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 plus 1 into. What remains except this or right? 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Now simplify this. That is equals to 3 into 1 minus 1 is minus 1, minus 2 into minus 2 is minus plus 4, but formula का minus जो रहता है minus plus into minus minus 4 बन जाता है. And then minus into minus plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1 plus 1. Minus 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Minus 8 into minus is plus 8. Plus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. Minus 4 into 1 is 4. So that is continued here. Further. That is equals to. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. Minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. Minus 15. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 into 1 is 9. Plus 9. Plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 into plus 1 is minus 2. So the final answer. Minus 17 plus 9. Minus 17 plus 9. The answer is minus 17 plus 9. 8. 8 is the minus 8 is the answer. Next, you have to find delta y. Delta y. How to prepare delta y now? Go for main determinant delta. Main determinant delta. Here you have to delete this y coefficient column, replace this by constant column. That is 1, 2, 3 as it is. 1, 2, 3 as it is. And here instead of this you have to write the constant. 3 minus 1, 4. 3 minus 1, 4. And then this column as it is. 1 minus 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Okay. The expansion of this, that is equals to 1 into plus minus plus. 1 into minus 1 minus 2. 4 minus 2 minus 3. This minus 3, this minus and here 3. Minus 3. It will always come minus. And whatever is there, top this you have to write. If it is plus, it will become minus. If it is minus, it will become plus. And then delete the row and column to which it is present. 2, 3 minus 2 minus 1. Further, plus 1 plus 1. 2 minus 1, 3, 4. So the expansion of this 1 into plus 1 into 8 plus 3. So the answer here is 10 minus 3 minus 12, sorry, minus 3 into 4 into 12 minus 12 plus 11. So the final answer minus 1, that is going to be 25. Minus 8 delta y. That's the line. It should be 1. It should be minus 1. So it is 1 minus 1. So it is plus 1. It will become 9. So the answer is 8. 8 is the answer. So further we have to find delta x, delta z. Delta z is formed by replacing the z coefficient by this constant. So let's solve as it is. 3 minus 1, 2, 1 as it is. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 2, then 3 minus 1, 4. 3 minus 1, 4. Further we have to expand it and get the answer. That is equals to 1 into plus minus plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 4 and then minus of minus 1 plus 1 here. Directly I am writing this steps. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 4 plus 3 into 2 1 3 minus 2, 2 1 3 minus 2. So expansion of this, what will you get? 1 into 4 minus 2 plus 1 into, how much you get? 8 plus 3 plus 3 into minus 4 minus 3 minus 4 minus 3. So finally what will you get? The part is answer is written here, simplified answer you will get here. That is 2 into 1 is 2, 2 and 11 into 1 is 11 minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7, minus 7 into 3 is minus 21. The answer is 10. Minus 10 is minus 8 is the answer. So final you have to find what is x value, z value and x, y, z value you have to find out. So that part I will be writing this small space you can get in here. X is obtained by delta x upon delta, that is equals to, what is delta here? Delta value is minus 8 and what is delta x? Delta x is minus 8. Minus 8 upon minus 8. Minus 8 upon minus 8 equals to 1. This answer is 1. Similarly, y value. Delta y upon delta. What is delta y value? Delta y value is 8 and delta value is minus 8. 8 upon minus 8. It is minus 1. It is what? Minus 1 is the answer. Minus 1 is the answer. And z value. Z value is delta z upon delta. Delta z is minus 8. Again minus 8 upon minus 8. It is equals to 1. So in short phrase I have written all little bit. You have to go for more clarification. If you want, I will write little bit big small lines. That is this part is 10 is equals to 1. It is minus 1. It is minus 1. 1 minus and 1 and 1 is a x, y, z value. X, y, z value. So this is your have to get this. X, y, z value. Minus 5. Minus 5 minus 1 equal to this. So all is there in one board in detail. You can go through it properly, understand properly and try to solve more problems of the same type as a practice by taking any textbooks and all. I will give some homework. I will be giving some more homework on this one myself also here right now. can try for this. Okay, take up more practice sums here. Yes, here on the board you are having more practice sums for your own. You have to try by Cramer's rule method or determinant method only. That is, first three problems are on 2 variables and the next 3 problems are on 3 variables. Okay, try to solve this and get the answer. If any complication is there, you can call and ask me. Okay. So in today's class we have understood about how to solve the problems on 2 variables and 3 variables by Cramer's rule method. Some standard sums we have taken up, and to go through them properly, understand, practice the same sums once again to more clearly, and then you go for solving these following sums.